Welcome back to another video, y'all. It's Olivia. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video. And if you're not new here, thank you for clicking on this video as well. Surely I appreciate both of y'all. But y'all, we got to get back on our Zoom. And when I mean get back on our Zoom, like, I'm gonna tell y'all what happened last week. So last Saturday, I was in Atlanta. If you haven't watched that vlog, go watch it. I was in Atlanta and I needed that rest. So usually like Saturday start off my workout week. So today is Saturday, July 29th. Yes. So I didn't work out, but when I tell y'all Mother Nature was naturing on last week, she came Monday. So when I woke up and I tried, because I've been waking up at 5:20 to go to the gym. When I woke up Monday at 5:20 trying to go to the gym, y'all, my insides, like my uterus, and it may be too TMI, but it was like, I don't know how to describe that. I've never had cramps that bad before. So like that was the gym, that wasn't even an option, baby. I rolled over and went back to sleep, and I really wanted to call out of work, but I didn't do that. So I don't know why I like this, and comment down below if you like this, but if my Monday or my week don't start out right, like the whole week just trash. I'm sorry, like I really need to grow up. Like it's just trash, like, and I need to not let one day determine the whole week. But you know, Monday you want to be productive, you want to do stuff, and like it didn't start off like that. So the whole week was trash, and I did not go to the gym because really my cramps, it was about like 3 days, so I was hurting real bad. But I didn't go to the gym none last week. So like I said, we got to get back on the Zoom. But this is gonna be like a weekly fitness vlog, and I've never seen this done before. I've seen like week of workouts, which this is not that, but like, am I supposed to film like every day of the week if it's a weekly vlog, or am I supposed to like pick a couple days out the week? I don't know. I'm just letting y'all know. If it look like I don't know what I'm doing, it's because I don't. So I'm gonna do like a full workout, but I'm just taking y'all through like some steps. So if it's all over the place, I'm sorry in advance. But yeah, let's just get started with this weekly vlog, and let's get ready to go to the gym because we gotta get back to it. My fitness journey only been started for a week, and then I missed the whole last week of workout. So we gotta jump back on it. We gotta get back to it. So I was just gonna walk out the door and just like do a fasted workout, but as I done started moving around, I got hungry. So I said, let me not even play with myself like that. Let me just get a little snack. So this is the Quest protein bar, white chocolate raspberry. This one's pretty good. I mean, to me, Quest got the best protein bars that don't taste like, well, if you know, like pure protein and all that, they bars ain't really that good, but it's got 20 grams of protein. I don't really care about the carbs, and it's got 1 gram of sugar, but these are pretty good. So I'm gonna just eat this before I go to the gym because nobody got time to be passing out, sis.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Maybe it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody's home next up. Be them if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, you only over cause you let him. Girl, I guess you didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you it's special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say you been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the...
Okay, so I am back from the gym, but now I know what not to do again. And that's to eat nothing sweet before a workout. I thought because it was a protein bar, it was gonna be okay. My stomach did not like that, y'all. So I did the RDLs first. Now I got on the hip thrust machine. I was like, okay, I want to go a little bit heavier today. After that, I started feeling sick. I had to push myself through that workout because usually before the workout, I just eat like a piece of toast with some peanut butter on it and maybe like half a banana. But see, now I know, stick to what you know. Because that raspberry protein thing before working out, never again. Y'all, I was feeling so sick. Like, I thought I was finna go to the bathroom and I was finna throw it up. But anyway, I'm back home. Just finna make a regular protein shake because I'm very pressed for time. I have other stuff I have to do today and it's already 2 o'clock. But that's what I get for waking up late. I need to see how much this is though. So I'm just gonna make a regular protein shake powder. But this is the protein powder I use. It's Women's Best. This flavor is cereal infused milk, and this is sweet too, kinda. That's why I'm not really doing like a whole smoothie with almond milk and all that other stuff because my stomach just is not ready for that yet. But that's roughly like 62 grams. So I'm gonna log that into my Fitness Pal, and I'm gonna drink this. And hopefully by later on, I'll be ready to eat like some real food. My stomach right now, baby girl.
Left hand is staring, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shout it, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be driven. Baby, slow phone, I'm just kidding. Wrong. Baby, slow. Wrong. Girl, said he keeps on playing. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. Being flex so deep, sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent. Through the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' ship it only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it.
Okay, y'all, so it is the next day. It is Sunday. I'm pick y'all up. It is Sunday, and it just got done freaking monsooning outside. I don't understand what's going on. Like, I live in the South. I live in Georgia. Like, in Florida, it be sunny, and then it start raining. In Georgia, it don't do that. So I don't know what's going on with Georgia's weather. But I just went into Kroger and got some more yogurt because I'm about to start on my meal prep for Sundays. So I just got some bananas and some more yogurt from my little yogurt bowls. But let me show y'all the cutest thing I found at Dollar Tree. And I'm glad people be sleeping on Dollar Tree. Like, stop sleeping on Dollar Tree. Because I went in there to get some mason jars for my meal prep. But I was like, I'm going to get these instead. So I found these because I'm making salads this week for my meal preps. And I don't have like no dressing containers. So I got some dressing containers. But this is what I found at the Dollar Tree. These are yogurt cup with lids. So, you know, you just put your yogurt in here and you do your granola and stuff like that. But the cute thing is it has like a little spoon in here. I don't know if I can see that. There's a little spoon. And like you just take it out and then it unfolds, which I think it does. Yeah, okay, so then the spoon just snaps on like this. So you got your little yogurt cup and it's so cute. So I got that, but I'm gonna get started on my meal prep. This is what I do on Sundays. Now in this video, I'm gonna be showing like little tidbits of the meal prep, and I might show like the overall thing. But if you want to see the video on how I did my meal prep, you're gonna have to go watch it, baby, because yeah, I'm finna film a meal prep video, but I'm gonna show it just a little bit in this video. So if you want to say I made all the stuff, just go watch the video because that's why I made it.
You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah.
the meal prep that I just got done filming, that it took a lot longer than what I expected, because y'all, I got a phone call. My friend had to tell me the tea, so I had to get that tea. Y'all know when y'all friend call y'all gotta get the tea. But yeah, this is the meal prep. So we just got some zucchini, chicken, rice, and bell pepper. Like I said, if y'all want to see the full meal prep, I think this video gonna be up after the meal prep. So I don't know, I ain't worked it out yet, but y'all gotta watch the full meal prep if y'all want to see how I made this. But just the salads. So since this is my weekly fit vlog, I'll go in a little bit detail. So I am eating for a certain amount of protein each day. So each of these have 4 ounces of chicken in them, and so do these salads. And these are basically, because I do cook like, y'all see, I do cook like maybe like 2 or 3 times during the week. So this is just for when I come home and I don't feel like cooking absolutely anything. Then my yogurt, I got 5 of these, but one, it didn't look aesthetically pleasing. So that's why it's not on the table. So now I need to figure out what I'm finna eat now. I got some chicken in there, but I don't really like that. Since it's my weekly fit vlog, realistic one, because usually on Sundays I do go get me something to eat, because it's like I get like a cheat meal or something like that. So I might go to the Chipotle, but I ain't really feeling Chipotle. But really, like, I'm not hungry right now. Like, I'm hungry, but I'm not like hungry. Okay, so I'm back from getting my food. And it's like 7:50. I try not to eat like so close to bedtime, because since I do wake up for 5 a.m. workouts, well, 6 a.m. workouts, I wake up at 5, but that kind of means I have to be asleep by 10. So I'm gonna try, I ain't gonna try to like scarf this down, but I'm gonna try to eat like quickly, because I don't like food being on my stomach. But I just got like some chicken fried rice. And then here go my yum yum sauce, my teriyaki sauce. But yeah, this is which I'm probably not gonna eat all this, but you got your vegetables, your chicken, and your carbs for your rice. So I'm gonna just eat this, and then we'll move on with the rest of the vlog. Okay, so this is probably one of the most important parts of this vlog, because we're about to talk about habits. Gonna get a quick little lesson, and it's insane because y'all, I am not a morning person at all by any means, but I had to make the decision to be disciplined and to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning so I can get to the gym by 6. And it's crazy because I'm not a morning person at all. Like, even though I get up in the morning time, I'm still not a morning person at all. But with creating good habits, you need to make it easy. So what I'm doing now is literally making the habit of going to the gym in the morning easy. So I'm packing up my lunch, so I won't be scrounging around in the morning, rushing, trying to get all that. In the next couple of clips, I'm just making it easy. So in the morning time, before I go to the gym, I have a banana and I have toast with peanut butter on it, and I have a glass of water. So I'm just laying all that out. I'm laying out just everything that I need. I already got my protein shake mixture weighed out, so when I come back from the gym, I can just put water in it and drink it. And I also lay out my towel and my cleanser in the morning so I can hop straight in the shower.
Memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded off the 42, gorgeous, too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave you so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, think me. Well, bitch, on my level, ain't no question. I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this rose gold, so cold. Oh no, I can't fuck with lames like you no more. Back up on the scene, out here acting foolish like I'm 17. I just bought a new whip, don't need gasoline. I just think you're no bitch, boosted my self-esteem. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back, yeah.
Caught an empty gym on this Thursday morning. So glad I got up and came because it's the last place I wanted to be. Let me hurry up and talk so I don't get copyrighted, but it's the last place I want to be, but I got up and came, so happy Thursday.